the current newly elected chairman Omuyi no call Kokofu chairman Kokofu Efie no ba Facebook Jeff no to so mame chairman Kuka eko eye Kokofu fie, and it was a very wonderful one over Facebook currently onim penimfo bi ko it was all smiles. Which means Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, he's not worried, he's not sad, he's normal.
Once again, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Anyway, see over Facebook, see ewo Nhyira Kokofu na kache na osha all congratulate odene ho kwakwa pia kuka se wetumi edin kunim mamene chairman the secretary for frokra is ono beka no ho atrofo no ne edi dwuma papa yi agenda no be hold position in the MPP in Ashanti region, but Memen Kamano ono abeka Dr. Francis Adomako, Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary elect. Doc, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi aboko dia.
Yeah, ade achi. De chano panata kremada bujim na moje de frusania. Odanya miasi wiya. Na wasinya ministra makrura opemso.
Yeah.
One na himfu. Wa asante mantem ha. Na ebiaso the two former president. His Excellency John Jekum Kufuor. His Excellency Nana Danko Kufuor. Your flag bearer na me Adoma 2028 in the Kwakensia. Oma be President of the Republic of Ghana. Dr. Bawumia. A party national leadership headed by the acting chair, Chairman Bute, named the hardworking General Secretary, Justice Fripon Kodua, Nini Nyabeman and Nabi, the newly elected regional chairman, Chairman Koka, and the regional executive Yatuabe Eyenano, na ebi aso so your party constituency executives, electoral area executives, na polling station phone na mamifa kwanya so fanshia.
Right. Right. Election amoko yemi muze omwana na omoko po yando, in fact very popular on social media. In fact, across the country will be a kind of one and Paul, yeah, very, Ushenwa, when he came, was happy to see him contesting for the secretary position. Michael Amwanso Euku, Ononsusu Jinemwa, or you be within the MPP, no, man for Penasempa. Ure Musa anwa unze nipa mienu we ba no elections no na enye hu eba wadum say zenga sign because na ebibi o ana
eno ye wadwe
sir
because masum party na chepa.
Okay,
from the days na me church my party no me ye party agent say ye registration na me table ho
yeah
me ye 3 consecutive times. Be a polling station organizer and film watch, constituency organizer and film watch, regional organizer and film watch. Let me say, dean of all regional organizers. The only regional executive 4 years ago called the post. It means that menye any pack a year say Monsieur Party, my year region was so pa. Eti na enye idea. Because for it's not for anything semi-call on the post last 4 years as regional organizer.
Yeah.
4 years ago now, constituency secretary say Rabe regional secretary. Now Ukachromo say, Mikachromo say, Umyame, Mama America crap because me organizers no. Now this time Ramo say, Mpu, say me regional secretary. To the extent say me forms come when far forms near there. It's so say. Na omo GDA ere o mu say be juman meet my day aye, but along the line and sembebre emu akasa o no ne Bawumia fan onye we ebi mu per party mpanimfo bi
there's all crowd your campaign to Bawumia strongly pa e wan see ho
enye no kre o basa yentwa sem fan to so propaganda say bebre o nti na it wasn't an easy contest at all.
Timwango Shia hotel bia na woni nkrofo kasa se omo Bawumia de Debbie, Omumfa Ken Brana Ken de Free Ashanti, or ya can ni pure bit me. Yes, we are tribalistic.
Me never be that.
Sir,
Me never be that in my life. Yeah, when presidential primaries, man, good man, you be actually. The only person who have been the call around back first round end of the Mohammed Bawumia. The only person, all the 4 other aspirants in Yinano, they called me, but I said no.
None of me can wait for.
I'm gonna say, yeah, quite can see. Oh, say, Yanchi Chile, Bibi. Yep, propaganda no in a party, but a quack is here. You have seen a bear, Member for why you go for him. What I say? You bet kick and send be brave. But Papa is a bar something original. Oh, but one is spokesperson of Fro. So, maybe, who say, Boba or a potamijao. We could be a median woman knuckle. As we do a cancer, a summer penny for me. Bakoshe baby will be for be a chi. He can't say my name. Say the bear, but more why you go for him. May you win it, Yammy. Ma'am, the contest, a woman no contest in the Sika. The high hotels there, they are demand for so as the delegate so better. What I did before election. But party for no, me no much in a year. Minimum how I'm host sit here.
When journey?
Oh, transportation there.
Which you transportation?
Oh, why not? So, we are free a year, Eban, and you'll be time for every delegates and say, and tell you any mount. Henry said, so, factor you any idea. Say, and yet it's not out of place at all.
By 100 them, yes, sure, bro.
Oh, so, constituency food in your say, Mukai Sika, and then you know, Bedi, when you we are. It's not out of place. What I say? Because we the Sika Medema or more for transportation. Number 2 or 1 minimum call can see the deal with the mama. Because let me check it to a pie. What did it is? With the pardon is, but by saying, oh, send me mount delegates no free constituency, me 19.
Okay,
3,000. I'm going to say.
2 more be about 3,000.
No, be a hey. What I say? Woman is 3,000. Who for be faka? Who for be told in India?
Okay.
Insignificant.
There's a better constituency be a.
Constituency be a. So what I say?
Times 40, saying 47. Now saying.
Oh, 45.
45.
So 47. In fact, it's supposed to be 47 constituency.
Hey, you know what spend about?
Oh, say, you need to prepare yourself because Bakone Fakaba. What I say? It's all supporting the Kakra. Any about Bedidi. The supporting the Kakra.
Now, most spend this Eskawi. I am saying Yanihim because a cow.
Oh, so Upe so Bedi or Doma anymore. It was so Abua for so Mbeso wase.
Oh, okay.
No one bottom is Canada.
Oh, okay.
You know, 7 to be a minute. Say, oh, Jack, Jewy, yeah, also. What I say, a little contribution from well wishes, no, and it's my boy. Do quack and see the just one as I prepare. What I say, they say, if media no, or from Imudia or Surpa, Imudia Munya, Benin for
Boyando Gradies, when Yaka Pramon.
Hey! Only guys, maybe I can only speak for myself. But
so, Mama can
check a system.
But no success when Yaka.
Me say,
Boyando Triaga.
Me say, Obama can etriac. And who continue hotel man for Mani Hotel Mobia? Oh, yes.
Wow.
Eh, na me, and now I am a doma deposition because me na me party for so I at the my year Juma party. What do I say? Me original gonna man now. Oh, of course.
I don't know.
Hey, no, yeah, me no can say. Some me at over you. Yeah, because me be constituencies I could train you.
Eh, what do
you say? A trouble polling station executive from. Who will name the Juma?
Oh, okay.
What do I say? It was a man who polling station chairman. What you man say? Secretary, what you man say? Organizer, what you man say? Sankufu, you just home, what you man. Your newly elected electoral area executives. It just will be a Juma just where they. Oh yeah, constituency executives. It just will be a Juma where they. Oh yeah, nah. Ubi ango trans media, minim de some me. You know, ya trouble, you know. Just say, me call, and I'm going to train you.
When are you financing?
Oh, sir, about say training. Me say, so mini papa and coming to first position. The DBA send me before me kono, me didn't come out. Media, ebe,
and that's all.
Ba.
Now, said you can
medical training for your constituency executives.
And a wow bottom.
Me say, me can say me say, nam say me wo sa adwene se me no. Before I make con, na nko se bia ma se hu bia kama.
Yintia me bisa o say ni say, ya na manyophone mo spend a lot when it comes to these elections and it could react ya na say any bra ba se mo aban ba ban mu a etwa se butimi nya bibi. I mean, is that the hope, the ambition? Say, oh, may spend it, dear, me will be a the minicra, me pegum, na ma by a denya, metimeka. It is a politician, that is a dear cow. Send me in a cow.
Me say, and your cow, a year, the papa me war.
Odo.
What I say, summer soon me my.
Okay.
What I say, say, a calling, say, who sa nan party in power. Yeah, your opposition, masum. About power, masum, your position, so I'm going to hear eso. What I say, so we need pepper say, Adomako, a new one. You buy a journal but beer. But say, we be for na from much 2 a.m. No, I pick it. Not the old reno. What buano? Why be that?
No one.
Say.
Yes, supporting Crawford, dear, don't want
will be a brand CB or Asante Achim not. Nhyira ewu ko konfalochi etwa se ade chi okoko ye we could do konfalochi no ni nsa enka funu wa fa funu afro amachi
buano secretary
se de be ya me sabet mi aboa na wo gina phone so na wo to cash fi ya ko boa se de be ya sabet makanifu
because of party ba wow
yes
ne mo bre
o ja se etino enye se ubenya bibi don't be if you would do what say say the be menya bibi a unye say djema no
okay
but for who say utu why ache enu ti na party for no eto abaye dey edi ya nto aba ama say bibi ma abati so na me dabi ye to abaye you say uba besom wo mo what you say now be boa ma party no so why akono because me other system ka tro say program bia mo ye station bia mo ye bia me dem ho fra what I say me be support to say be a program no be e be koso wo yes ade we nyina na wo boa ma party no so wo boa so aton party I try to make an answer the coin base the be so aton your party my party na ya kono it say various stakeholders are wo regime nyina no you know strong relationship ayonkudi fa what I say wo yes say no the ma nkofo so nya umugiti say enya party mugidi say party we omo eye ni mafoforo sorry e be ko ho mox e be ko ho traditionally e be ko mo nche you be abedi nkomo will bring everybody on board.
Wow, because currently MPP in Ashanti region the traction of them especially compared to the youth side Dr. Frank Amwakohene and social media or youth engagement within the Ashanti region who said, don't want to put in a chinia there. What be your secretary? Now, we know chairman, Nebeko Nakrana, and the other executives. Then I'm obey and beat me a break this particular trend.
Unim, I'm kind of me, I do my young transfer crowd. So that on say, because you who say, the charity begins at home.
Okay.
You be CC a fear. Omo eni onwa ka kesi nyina no omani kunim nyina no nyina be meeting
omo man lusu
nyina no be nyina be meeting constituency level omo lusu nyina no you be constituency by constituency omo we ni ye omo lusu nyina no nyina ye meeting
okay
because we need to bring everybody on board boha or your past constituency executive sango fo nyina no will have a meeting with them because look when be faso se obi etie o naso kra na ye mfa nche to say the nyina e boni echecheche ye ho ni musi ye move on na fi ye de policies and programs ya niema ye beye at each constituency be any more dynamics. What I make can say in the constituency when Nima Ben ye be ya, you bet me actually you to know Abay and Jay. Constituency B, Nima Ben ye bet my ya, bet my actually you tonight Abay and Jay. Sandy moving on the back as a newly elected regional executives. Near making sure says ya Sanya man, just started a decide you may be a love from your program be ye de Huber Jim. A dear be a year or region will be yano. Yeah, work trans you. Yeah, be ye Juma, said the Beya will get closer to the people. Say, just see a part people Nippon echo. To be a Nima be out the Dano. Yeah, young ye, you tell me now, so you poor macho. Nothing, who how better. You bit mania a young fa a mudo. We are beginning a new word page. The one in the name in Ninko, there can be better.
You see, say most of the time, no, youth no win, through social media, and youth no be brains through social media. Now it becomes the new media and growth for engagement near the day, and you could see, say, may you see the regional minister, for example, when he goes to the social media live, a man for consensus near day, and thousands of people come online, most especially the youth to engage him. As a secretary of your party, what is your next strategy regarding social media engagement with the youth?
One can say the new media. Everyone cannot dispute that fact. Say youth know where or baby or makuma wono. Just say you makuma so the ede emam.
Okay.
Me mfa enema e pese e planning na metudwa no obi asate eteke
kakrebi eto.
Why not? We also go say, no one has authority over social media. What do you make an answer?
TikTok,
but say whatever it is, any social media network beyond. Now William is one access to the youth.
Somebody who is a TikTok minister. I say, Emokoye be ferry kakra.
And ferry or heba.
Says a Muslim John.
Oh, and yet. Me say we also reach out to the youth. Adebia you strategy be just CFA to be able to get the youth, we'll get them wherever they are. Wherever any network, any means, any media, we will also get there. Yeah, I heard a name almost pay. Yeah, you more pay this why they. Wow. What do you make an answer? Any is going any regional minister when you're ready.
Money never come to social media.
That's what yes, you be social media. Of course. She be what they make an answer. They make sure say and Niama Manti and Mamba one a penno. Yes, so. Wow. I'm almost so many ideas. The social media no near for my jumaso.
Okay. Now, another problem within the MPP, especially when it comes to your delegates album, the way you're secretary and those things, you are part of those processes. Now we are organized at the end of a man no very challenging, especially organizing that delegates album. No, you will say Oko in Shiaso and other places they were concerns and Tokwa Mamponkra the music enjoy any of the busy midini album mumidin say no. Then I'm over ya so no money in to be.
Oh, I think that most of the times in the constituency be a mintimuasi
yeah
MP no any executives be any united.
Okay.
Even executives no munyina na omadwe ekobenkrum no. Ehona a day problem near the eba. Ubia feel say oh okay any menko amko baby na menye. What I say instead for them to have a united front to do it. Then the basa need went you eba no.
Okay.
I think say the party leadership will sit down and analyze the situation near where we need to have a particular group of people, team B, to handle.
Okay.
So we would woman could make sure say, oh, yeah, the year I at 3 years, because since there are different interests in each a particular constituency,
yeah.
First assembly nation a cool ensa.
Timbenya independent team
body.
no be handle delegates
abom.
Okay.
Na akweso we send him. We be a different in the group.
That's fine.
The buy the basana they did it. They had a free, fair and transparent election from the polling station all the way to the constituency level. Basa ye nya sembia. Timo say Brakono who say enye chairman na enye MP album enye secretary album independent body na babe album na dey amaye. So you can move on as a party.
Wow. For your experience in the elections, we need delegates in engagement. Which kakra TNT, as you said. Uhuni says, say yem. Emma ubia we party babia in good standing Timmy etwa bani bino. Ebe buama sa mukaya mobobo bonnet wecha. Ebe boy.
Oh, I think say Supreme Court the party so very who say how is it here any modalities which say they ho so they be marginate my day ejina painting because I think say NDC for be pay.
Yeah.
So we who say more papa. What I say until the yes we will look at what has come up and the party leadership will look at it critically and see how we can implement it. Say they be and also enko ha party until the party will look at it.
Okay, yeah. But a good thing.
Oh, why not? Say if no ubia registered member, be our register or in good standing, with any dues. What I make an say, and yes, be a register keke. So we will be a trade dues so. So what I say, yes, be a register not what baby. Udrawe.
Party niya no huska.
Esi party niya no huska. Na no. You must say, oh, okay, any.
We are active.
Okay. And I mean, why not? Challenge Supreme Court we will look at it. Yes, be our this in Libya now or card as we introduce. But we do about to also they say and then I think say so we'll look at it and see how best it can go a long way to help the party.
Right. Finally, Oshe Timwa Mokuya as executives are and it has all my Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Are you the winning team to help him in Ashanti region?
When you say the jumadation sir, the moment you are given the opportunity, you look at your next election. Party for no area say, what did you add?
They're not the count. They're not
the boy. What do you make an say? So all of us will work as a team, collectively, and because our biggest achievement would be that we helped Dr. Mohamed Bawumia to be president of the Republic of Ghana. Look, I'll be so happy.
Dr. Bawumia be president.
Hey!
Sir?
But see, so that's the reason why whatever we have to do, and every day able question biano, say ubikwe netia minaswa because of the fact that the president Dr. Mohamed Bawumia be president, aka. What they make an say? Ideally, ubibia and once be a trouble cry, one win a crown. Can we reach out to the person? But because of power, we reach out to the person. Say, Massa, a human a day in the day, as Munina Yamra, then Kaya Humbum. Not by lips, by action.
Wow.
Because divided we fall, united we stand. Dr. Mohamed Bawumia made president. What they make an say opposition say the parties on the other side who say MPP and executives are on board. Aye crowd say ye juma at the polling station, at the electoral area, at the constituency. Look, and the part area and we are each other's keeper. It's not going to be difficult for us 2028.
You win.
We will surely win.
Wow. A final message to Omoichi Asante Maina.
The final message is very simple.
Secretary elect.
And I say, and I made a dominina say, it will be biase wɔn a wɔn yɛ campaign tia mi nyinaa mi dɔm nyinaa ase ato aba awie.
Wɔayɛ campaign tia o.
Ɛnya hwee. O de aseɛ. Nka manya ne saa ka mi hu kura sɛ o de aseɛ now that we fall through a yaw mu ansa na mi sai kasa to me no it was me show leadership ɛkyerɛ wɔn sɛ I need to make an impact. Ɛnyɛ paper ne pen ke na member bi use. Na emom me be get close ayɛ dwumaden ɛde amenkum sɛ saa gidi no munya mu no wɔn enu wɔn ho da. Munya gidi mu si ebɛyɛ nyina bɛyɛ dwuma abom ebɛka yɛn ho abom ayɛ dwumaden aboa ma Dr. Mohammed Bawumia abɛyɛ president. Ti eso it was afro obi bia for one way or the other along the line bia metia na naso bia no adesrede mumfanche
right
obi bia aspirant bia so tia naso bia no adesrede yemfanche na nyina ehu se ye party baako na yenka ye hu mom to safro obi bia mumra na nya dwuma mom na yensom party no yemmoa ma Dr. Mohammed Bawumia ma president na minimi ye se ye boa in that particular regard ebi de ba no pa ebi de ba awia omo sanka omo de na mkwan so yede eba.
Dr. Francis Adomako, Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary elect. Anope, it has its by.
Mr. Dasi so me sa kwenya Nhyira mo.
Ami.
Emre sem so.
Yebeseshia. Enkomodi bibrio ho. Yebeseshia wa habiem. All right.